talking about the evolution of concussion prevention in the NFL over the years. Okay?
Use the space bar.
Okay, what this presentation will be talking about. We will be talking about the understanding of the conclusions, how the evolution of the football helmets prevented concussions over the years, how the NFL has changed how athletes hit/prevent getting a concussion. What is a concussion? A concussion is a mild traumatic brain injury, aka MTBI. A concussion is a traumatic brain injury that affects your brain function. Effects are usually temporary, but can include headaches and problems with concentration, memory, balance, and coordination. Concussions are usually caused by a blow to the head. Violently shaking of the head and upper body also can cause concussions. Some concussions cause you to lose concussionness, but most do not. Falls are the most common cause of concussions, but you see them a lot when you play a contact sport, like soccer and football, for example. Most people usually recover fully after a concussion. Symptoms. The signs and symptoms of a concussion can be subtle, may not show up immediately. Symptoms can last for days, weeks, or even longer. Common symptoms after a concussion, traumatic brain injury are headaches, loss of memory, amnesia, and confusion. The amnesia usually involves forgetting the event of the cause of the conclusion. Symptoms of a concussion: headache, ringing in the ears, nausea, vomiting, fatigue or drowsiness, and blurry vision. And I'm going to show you what a concussion looks like when you get hit in the head. This is how we're moving on to my second subtopic. It's the evolution of football helmets over the years. The evolution of football helmets. Over the time of the evolution of football helmets, they have gotten better, and the helmets got more protection of the players' heads, causing the reduction of the concussion to slower the rate down. Here are some videos that show you how the evolution has changed. As you saw in the video, that the NFL and over the past years they've had concussions, and they're trying to prevent that. So with the Vice's helmet, how it morphs on impact is slowing the reduction of the concussion rate. Okay, how has the NFL changed how the athletes hit/prevent concussions? The NFL has changed how players can hit, because back then they used to hit and they could just hit however they wanted to hit without really getting in trouble for it. But now the NFL has a rule called targeting. It's when the player, the opposite, hits the player with the ball with the crown of their helmet right here. And so when they're going like this, their head's hit. And so it causes the brain to hit their skull, giving them a concussion. Yes, you are going to have, the rules are going to be implied, but there is also going to be people who really just don't care. Yes, they will get fined and ejected, and I have a couple examples of him. But Antonio Brown, he was going for a pass, and he missed it barely, and then the, cornerback came in and just hit him with his shoulder, causing Antonio Brown to have a concussion. Okay, now we have my favorite one, which is Teddy Bridgewater getting knocked out, aka having a concussion.
Thank you.
But, like I said, you're going to have people who just don't follow the rules, but yes, they will get fined, and they could get ejected. In conclusion, the NFL has tried preventing concussions but they can't be fully prevented. But they have reduced the prevention rate of the helmets, and they have helped over protecting the players in the next couple of years. Or in the next couple of years, I think that we could slowly start getting to where the concussions will rarely happen. My work's cited. Thank you.